Ultimate Safari Packing Guide for Kenya Adventures. Welcome to our ultimate guide on what to pack for an unforgettable safari adventure in Kenya. Essential clothing. Lightweight, neutral-colored clothing. Long-sleeve shirts and pants for sun protection. Fleece jacket for cool mornings and evenings. Footwear and accessories. Sturdy, comfortable walking shoes or boots. Wide-brimmed hat for sun protection. Sunglasses and sunscreen. Safari gear. Binoculars for wildlife observation. Camera and extra memory cards. Small day pack for essentials. Medical and personal items. Insect repellent and anti-malarial medication. Reusable water bottle. Important documents. Passport and visa. Travel insurance information. Printed itinerary and emergency contacts. Flashlight or headlamp. Portable charger for electronics. Wildlife viewing tips. Respect wildlife and follow park rules. Keep a safe distance from animals. Be patient and enjoy the experience. Preparing for a safari in Kenya is an adventure in itself. Remember, packing light and smart will enhance your experience. Stay tuned for more travel tips and don't forget to subscribe for future guides. Ready for your African adventure? Follow us for more. Oloi Shorua Travel.